To type the cube symbol on your mobile, start by opening any app like your notes or a browser. To bring up the keyboard, click on that. So once it is on your screen, look for the hash button or number button in the bottom left corner and tap it to switch over to the number and symbols layout. So from here, simply find the number 3 and perform a long press by holding on your finger down on the key for a second. You will see a small bubble pop up in containing the superscript cube symbol. Just slide your finger directly onto that and lift it to insert it into your text. See again, long press and here. So it's a quick and shortcut method that's make mathematical symbols or a professional YouTube titles a breeze. I hope you understand how you can type cube in mobile keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.